easily distracted, wala masyado sa focus. Ako napapansin ko yun sa mga anak ko. So pag ganun, inaalisan ko muna sila ng gadget for a while. But we can never really take away these gadgets from them. Totally. As the world revolves, so as technology, we have to adapt in a mindful manner. I always check our iPads, ano yung mga apps na nandun. Ang mga hinahanap ko, 1, educational, 2, interactive, 3, varied. You know, there's actually a study na interactive apps may be linked to improve motor skills, lalo na sa toddlers who are exposed to touchscreen. Pero this was not seen sa kids na nanonood lang ng videos. So I found this app for Storm. She turned 3 recently kasi, and I want her to get used na sa mga letters, sa mga numbers.
It's called Uptown Flashcards.
Hello, friend. Good to see you.
It is a free app, pero if you want to unlock some features para madagdagan, pwede rin. 50 pesos pwede ka na mag-unlock, sobrang mura lang. Ang daming pwedeng gawin, hindi sila mabobore dito. And if you're not yet ready to unlock, they have 7 free features. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na varied. This is very educational. I love how it teaches my kids spelling. Ilalagay mo yung correct letter where it should be. And as they do that, they get familiarized with the spelling of the word. Phonetics, meron din. Ito yung tamang pagbigkas ng word or ng letter. Yung sound. May sight words din dito, ayan. Sight words naman, ito yung mga words na pag na-sight niya, dapat alam niya na yun kung paano bigkasin. Hindi niya na kailangang i-figure out yung sound. I highly recommend that you download this app. It's called, again, Uptown Flashcards. I'm sure your kids will have fun while learning kasi nga, very interactive yung app para rin maiwasan natin yung mga panonood nila ng videos na nakaka-affect sa attention span ng mga anak natin. But reminder, bantayan pa din natin ang screen time nila, ha? Yun lang! Bye!